Hey guys, today I just got myself a 2TB Seagate hard disk and a hard disk case which is made by Neopack. Let's just look at this cover now. So it's a 12.1 mm thick, which is actually fairly slim. And let me show you here the manufacturing date. Yeah, it's actually manufactured around 10 2017, which is October of 2017. Okay, let me just get rid of this polythene cover. I just bought it on Reliance Digital actually. Let me just show you the bill which I bought. It shows yeah, I actually got a combo offer for this. So if I had bought the hard disk case separately, it would have cost me 399 rupees. But since I bought this with the hard disk, they gave me a discount and it only cost me 99 rupees actually. Okay, now let's just open the box. It's a little bit difficult to get it out. Yeah, it has some paperwork. Uh, it's a USB 3.0. Okay, let's get into the cover right now. I bought a black color and the ca- the case has a hard disk and a cable for this. You can see that the blue color indicating that it's USB 3.2. It's fairly light. After opening the cover, you can see clearly that there's a LED light at the top, which lights up when you are plugged into the computer, and a Seagate logo at the bottom. It shows 2 TB here. Let me get a clear view over here. Yeah. Now let's get to the case. Hard disk case which I bought with this. Yeah, if you bought this separately, it would cost you 399 rupees. Let's open the case and see how it is. You can see that it has a good elastic to hold the hard disk and a spare space so that you can keep the USB wire. I actually have a 1 TB hard disk and same Neopack pouch. Let me show you that. Yeah, comparing these two, let's just compare these two now. Yeah, the new 2 TB is actually a little bit black, I think, than the 1 TB black. It's about the same thickness, and you can differentiate it at the back. You can see that it shows the size of the hard disk. It's 1 TB, the 1 TB version, and 2 TB here in the new one. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and hit the like button if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe.